Okay, so this is going to help you if your little browser is really small on your screen and you're having a hard time seeing it. This happened to me when I first opened and moved it to my monitor. So I went to go open my Google Chrome, and I have my Google always open on my Promethean board. So I opened it, and then it went to my Promethean board, and if you guys notice, it's really, really small. And I did not like that at all. So I tried to open this up, and it didn't make it any smaller. Like, it just stayed the same size, and I don't like that. So what you do is if you go up to your right, or if just in your system settings. So if you come over here, if you don't have it in your little doggle app, go to System Preferences, then click Displays, and now this is going to pop up. This will be over here, and then this was on my Promethean board. And so when you're on here, you see how it says default for display? You're going to want to click scaled. So if I click scaled, sorry for the movement, I'm trying to hold this and do this at the same time. So I'm going to click scaled, and what I noticed, it's selected on more space, so it's really small. Now you can, if you go through, you can see the different, you can make it larger text, or large text, or just regular, which that's what I like. So now when I do regular, now it's bigger on here for me, and it makes it a lot easier to see. Rather than before, I can show you before again. Look how small it was. Look at that compared to that. See how small? I like it at the regular standard. If you like yours really big, I know my mom and my dad, they like their stuff really big to see, so they even put it bigger. So you can choose, and then they even have like super, super big. So you can choose, I guess, based on your eyesight, which one you want. I choose the regular one, and then now it is set to regular size, so I can actually see.